Dr. Pepper DP.
Yeah.
You only know it as Dr. Pepper, right?
Yes.
Okay. DP stands for double penetration.
I can see that being interesting, yeah, but so when you said he's enjoying his DP, is that what you're secretly thinking?
Yes,
Okay.
and also it was extremely entertaining because he said, "Here's your DP," and then the chocolate explosion with the 2 balls of ice cream.
Yeah, so one ball wasn't enough, so you needed your explosion inside of your DP. Well, not inside, but with your DP.
Yeah, so that's what was so funny because
That's fair enough.
And it was just cute because you were so innocent about it, and you're like DP, Dr. Pepper. It's like DP, double penetration.
I advocated for you, just to let you know, because I believe that you are innocent.
You know what though? Once you say it all together, it makes all too much sense now. But I do like it. And now every time I serve someone like Dr. Pepper with chocolate explosion,
I told you, you ruined it for the
so now I'm
man.
gonna giggle every time.
And then you can think of us.
Yeah, exactly. I'll think of you guys each time. So,
Yes. Okay.
well, I'm glad you guys enjoyed that.
Thank you.
I like it.
Oh,
Yeah.
we very much.